Today we'll get an understanding of some key concepts in cloud computing, IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS, and the differences between the three. But before we start on that, let's clarify the distinction between cloud and on-premise solutions, because that's essential to understand where IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS fit in. On-premise applications run on your own in-house servers. Think of that like having your own banquet hall. It's all yours, but you're responsible for everything. Maintenance, upgrades, security, and utilities are all on you. In contrast, cloud solutions are like renting space in someone else's banquet hall. You get the benefits without the day-to-day worries of ownership. IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS are all cloud-based models. They differ between each other in terms of how much control and responsibility that you have versus the service provider. So now let's explore each one. First off is IaaS, or Infrastructure as a Service. Imagine IaaS as renting an empty banquet hall. You're provided with a space, which in this case means the servers, storage, and networking, but it's up to you how to manage everything else, including the operating system and applications. It's very flexible, but it requires more effort from your side. Amazon EC2 is an example of IaaS. You choose your operating system and tech stack and enjoy the freedom of cloud-based service without the maintenance of physical hardware. Second is PaaS, or Platform as a Service. Think about PaaS as renting a banquet hall that's already set up with the essentials like tables and chairs. You're free to bring in your menu and decor, but the fundamental setup is already taken care of. Just like with IaaS, the provider manages the servers, storage, and network, but with PaaS, the provider also manages the operating system and runtime environments for you. A great example of PaaS is Heroku. Imagine Heroku as this prearranged banquet hall. You write your code in one of the supported programming languages, and Heroku manages the rest, from servers to operating systems to databases. And that makes it easy to build applications without the hassle of infrastructure management. Last but not least, we have SaaS, or Software as a Service, and that's our specialty at JH Media Group. This is like attending a fully prepared banquet where everything is ready. The food, the music, the atmosphere are all ready to go. You just show up and enjoy yourself. SaaS delivers complete applications over the internet managed by the provider. The users access software on demand, and they don't have to worry about how it's hosted, updated, or maintained. This offers the most convenience of any of the cloud-based models, but the least control. You're free to send suggestions to a SaaS business, but at the end of the day, just like you don't go to a banquet and start playing your own music or get the kitchen staff to cook the dishes you want, you also don't get to determine the features that a SaaS application provides. Google Workspace is a great example of a SaaS. It offers a suite of productivity tools such as Gmail, and they're kept up to date and maintained by Google. So to wrap up, IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS each offer different levels of control and convenience in a cloud environment. They all contrast with the hands-on approach of on-premise solutions. If you found this breakdown helpful, please give us a like, subscribe for more insights, and share this video with your network. Thanks for tuning in.